lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
for everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss for everything. Ay, I swear to God, boss for everything. Yeah, boss for everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago where they known the pop lit. Woo-wee, woo-wee. What up, gang?
It's your boy.
Yeah, not trying to be that guy, but I just got my new McLaren. Yes, it's fast. Anyway, this isn't a car channel, but it could be. No, I'm just excited. Anyway, let's get back into it. I want to start doing videos because all I'm doing is just driving around. I'm like addicted to just driving this, but I want to stay productive. So I'm going to teach you while I'm driving. So let's just say it's music in a McLaren, music marketing in a McLaren, music everything in a McLaren. Today I want to talk about a strategy that I thought of, and I'm like, wow, this is a really good idea, especially if you have a lot of songs backed up. And you're like, what am I going to do with all these songs? And I'll get right into it. Releasing 2 different singles at the same time. 2 different singles. You're like, why would I release 2 singles at once? I'm only able to market one at a time, only have X amount of resources. Right, and I understand that. And this may go against some things that I've said in the past, but you know, trying new things, it's a new age, things change. I want to be able to, you know, test new tactics and see what works. Here's the reason that you would release 2 singles at once. Wow. You may have 2 different audiences. Now, of course, you're supposed to hyper-target and only have one audience, right? You're not supposed to have all these different fans all over the place and stuff like that, right? I get it. Trust me, I know. But the thing is this, you may have 2 different types of fans. Or you may have all the one type of fan. But the thing is this, is sometimes you don't know which song is going to connect more. You know, and if you release 2 songs at once, especially early on in those early stages before you have a big fan base, you have the ability to test songs quicker and see which songs, which types of songs of yours people mess with the most, while at the same time giving them more music to listen to, because that can hold them over. Let's say you release 2 songs at once, beginning of every month, which you're more than capable of. You should be making 2 songs a week. Don't play with me. Don't play with me, okay? You can tell I'm so excited to even be in this car. So, as if I could be any more hyper than I already was, right? Watch! At the same time, it builds your catalog way faster. Okay, you're gonna have more music up. And don't look at it like a test, because it's not just a test. There's many benefits to actually doing this. But at the same time, sometimes one song isn't enough, right? Think about this. If like your favorite artist that you have right now is dropping 2 songs a month, how would you feel? You'd be a lot more excited than if they were just releasing 1 song, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Don't lie. In addition to that, it's going to give you more reason to actually make more music, because your surplus of songs is going to run out faster. Sometimes I make so many songs, I'm like, man, I don't need to work on any more music, but I want to be inspired to do it. And that doesn't happen until I start actually releasing the songs, because in the back of my subconsciously, I'm like, I got so many songs. But then when I release a song, in my mind, I'm like, I might run out, right? But you don't have that fear when you have too many songs. So by releasing 2 at a time also, you know what I'm saying? Now, another main reason that I recommend releasing 2 songs at a time, like the big main reason that I even thought of this idea was, you may have 2 different audiences of fans. For example, if you have like a lot of girl fans and they want more female-based songs, and then you have your other fans who like heavy hitting songs, you can appease both of these audiences at once without losing their attention. You get that? So like the girl fans who really want those songs, if you're singing or you make it more of those, they're getting those, right? And then the ones who like the bangers, the club songs, whatever, they're getting those. So you're never like, because sometimes the girls won't want those ones. Sometimes the guys aren't gonna want the girl ones. They tell you right now, somebody release a girl song, I like that artist, I'm not really like listening, that's not me. I want like the more gangster, the more upbeat, the more energetic ones. I don't listen to that type of music. Everybody who's a fan of you, more of a chance to really like stay in tune with you and pay attention. You get that? That's a big point. It's a really big reason to do it. Then there's everything else. So that's where you bring in like the other stuff. Now again, this is something you may want to test. It may work better for you than what you've currently been doing. If you've been releasing 1 song at a time and don't feel like you're holding people's attention, don't feel like you're holding your audience's attention, this is something that really could help you a lot. If something's not working, change your approach. Try something until something works. That is what you do until you grow. Like point blank period. Plus remember, if your music's not out, nobody can hear it. So if you're gonna take 6 months to release that next single, if you're gonna take forever to get that song out, nobody's gonna hear it. Plus, how fast are you making songs? Are your songs starting to get old? Sometimes you sit on a song for a year and you know how many more songs you got backed up. If you don't have backed up songs, you need to start dropping songs, man. That's my biggest mistake, was I wasn't releasing songs fast enough. Now I'm like, man, f this, man. Just drop the damn songs, man. What the f you doing? If I don't drop them now, when am I gonna drop them? 2 years from now, when I've already evolved my sound and my shit don't even sound like that because it's way better, and you know how many songs you got, you're like, man, it's too old to release now. Stop playing. Release the damn songs, man. That's how it is. So anyway, hit me with a subscribe. So don't forget, I'm launching a music industry shortcut, okay? That is a whole different ballgame. It's community artists just like you. It's based on community, but also you're gonna get $500 worth of masterclasses every single week. I'm just gonna help everybody. The pricing on it is just, man, we're gonna do $9. Let's go. I don't know why I just did all that, but I just wanna make it affordable for everybody. So anyway, I'll put a link to that below. Try releasing 2 songs, man. You already know how it is. And either way, you know, you can try 3, try 4. How many songs you got backed up? Whatever. Either way, I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rapper. And you just got a little bit smarter. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top.